Well, welcome back, Navigators. So tonight we are dining at Pink Agave for your next edition of Navigate the Plate. We're very excited, so it's a little bit of a Mexican twist. Come on, let's get eating.
Yeah, and I hear they have one of the largest tequila collections at sea.
Ooh, so a margarita may be on the menu then.
Yeah, no margaritas for me, because nothing good ever happens after I have some margaritas, so.
Very excited to try out a little Mexican. Unfortunately, it's our last night of the cruise, so we're gonna really enjoy ourselves tonight. I have to say, the one thing I really love about Virgin is the size of the ship. Given it's a little bit smaller than some of the mega ships, we actually keep running into some of the same people that we dined with on our first night, our second night, and you actually get to like become friends with people, which is really, really nice. Not something that you would see on like a Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas, like mega ship. So something I really enjoy about Virgin Voyages.
We are doing a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm starting up with a What's Up Doctora. It's a Patron Silver Tequila, Saint Germain, carrot, orange, and ginger, something a little bit different. Colleen's doing a glass of wine. And then we're gonna obviously do some guacamole. We weren't gonna do the corn, but we're gonna do the corn and the esquites. And then we're gonna do the aguachile, which is the tuna. Colleen is doing the enchilada de pollo. And I'm doing the bistec marinero and escabeche. My Spanish teacher would be so proud of me. But they said we should order as much as we want, but we're gonna start with that and then see where we're at. And if we need to order more food, we'll order more food. This place though is slammed. So again, can't stress it enough. Virgin app, 45 days before your cruise, book your reservations because again, this is a tough, I can tell this is a tough restaurant to get into. All right. There we go. Let's go. So what do you think about this, Colleen?
This looks good. So they're small bites. That's what they're considered on the menu. And we figured we'd get a few different ones because we didn't want to share.
Yeah. So we got the guacamole, and it's like a, basically like a tuna tartare.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so, well, enjoy.
All right, so I tried the guacamole and chips. Something so simple, but can go really wrong if not done well. Very good. Chips seem like homemade, airy, fluffy, like got a good crisp on them. Guacamole is good, not like overpowering on the lime. It's really good so far.
We just got the corn. The enchiladas are definitely very small, so now Colleen's thinking about getting a steak as well, but try the corn first. Good, it's got a zesty sauce on it. No, very good. Corn, and let's try the tuna. Well, that's also has some guacamole. Tuna tartare.
That's the winner.
That's the winner. Lots of lime flavor, very light, very refreshing. That's the one I'd recommend. So, all right, we're gonna enjoy this.
Oh, hands down my favorite. Probably my favorite dish of the cruise, to be quite honest. Like little bits of red onion, like popping with cilantro flavor. Just like lots of flavor and texture. This is, if I could have this as a meal in itself, I absolutely would.
Oh, that's some chicken goodness there.
All right,
One bite enchilada review.
Good.
Good? You're not selling me on it, Colleen.
It's not bad by no means. Again, I like a lot of like flavor. I think again they probably cater to people that may not like cilantro, may not like spices. That's what you're gonna get on a cruise ship. But I would say it's very good and it's fresh, not bad by no means.
So we've got the ribeye here. It's actually really good. It's a thinner cut. Ordered it medium. It's medium, which is always hard to do on a cut like this. So it's a little more well done, but very good, very flavorful. Highly recommend this. I think this is actually Probably one of the best dishes. As far as flavors go, and Colleen and I were talking about that, flavor's been a little flat. And again, Colleen mentioned it, kind of trying to do that mass appeal. I would challenge Virgin just to push it a little bit, or give it an option. Would you like a little more flavor in your meal, and like punch it up? Because we have like a little Mexican place around the corner from us, back in Fort Myers, up more flavor. So I think people are getting more used to more flavor, more spices. But anyways, overall, this is really great. What are you thinking here for dessert?
I'm kind of leaning towards it's like a meat milhojas, tamarind, passion fruit, pineapple puff pastry. I figured that'd be kind of light and like just fruity, and I think that might be nice. But I was thinking for you, Nate, the bread pudding.
They have chocolate. They have choco tacos. Tacos de chocolate.
Ooh.
Don't you remember the choco tacos?
Yes,
as a
I
kid?
do.
I wonder if these are just as good. Mexican chocolate, canela, and dulce de leche. I don't know, it's gonna be a tough choice. I'll have to ask our waitress.
Yeah, what her favorite is.
Yes.
I agree.
So what do you think of that?
Well, I actually have room for dessert, which is amazing.
Yeah, that looks really, really good.
It's really good. It's like fruit and like a pastry. It looks like light. Looks like something I think is perfect to end the evening.
Yeah, and this looks absolutely, I'm really glad I went with the bread pudding. We're gonna dig into this. Bon appetit. Well, that is gonna do it for this episode of Navigate the Plate. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, we have a bunch of these episodes we did here on the Scarlet Lady, so check them all out. Also, make sure to check out our podcast, Navigate with Us, where we'll be breaking down everything that you need to know about Scarlet Lady and Virgin Voyages, along with giving us our unbiased, honest opinions of our experience here. Until next time, remember to navigate your world.